So there are news that Adani Group has acquired NDTV. So in this video we will be decoding the nature of transaction by which Adani Group has exercised or gained control of NDTV. So actually Adani Group has not acquired NDTV Limited. It has acquired only 29.18% stake of NDTV Limited, making it a majority controlling shareholder, means largest shareholder in the particular company. But the transaction and the way this transaction has been routed is quite complex, and in this video we will be decoding that. So first of all, to understand the transaction, how Adani Group has acquired 29.18% stake in NDTV, that is New Delhi Television Limited, we will be understanding what are the parties which were involved in the transaction. So first we will classify Adani Group companies as Adani Group, i.e. that is Adani Enterprise and Adani Media Limited. So these two, particularly Adani Media, which is 100% subsidiary company of Adani Enterprise, hold 100% of Vishwa Pradhan Commercial Private Limited. So this company, Vishwa Pradhan Commercial Private Limited, plays an important role here in this transaction. So Vishwa Pradhan Commercial Private Limited is a company which has had an option to subscribe to share warrants of RRPR Commercial Private Limited. These share warrants, if exercised, will make shareholding of Vishwa Pradhan Commercial Private Limited in RRPR to be 100%, up to 99.5%, nearly 100%. And the third company, that is RRPR Commercial Private Limited, is a company which owns 29.18% in NDTV. So this way you are clear with the parties which were there. And again, we will be also, let us highlight who are the real owners of NDTV. Pranav Roy, Radhika Roy, RRPR Private Limited were collectively holding 16%. Now what has happened today? VCPL, which is company Vishwa Pradhan Commercial Private Limited, was having an option. We discussed earlier that option to subscribe share warrants we will turn to 100% of holding of RRPR Commercial Private Limited. So once it exercises option to exercise to share warrants of RRPR, it will become RRPR Commercial Private Limited will become subsidiary company of Vishwa Pradhan Commercial Private Limited. So VCPL today has exercised its option to exercise to share warrants, leading it to become the largest shareholder of RRPR Commercial Private Limited, approx 100%. So ultimately, if you are owning 99.50, you are the owner of RRPR Commercial Private Limited. That way you are also owner of this 29.18% held by NDTV of NDTV shares held by RRPR Commercial Private Limited. So you understand the chain. RRPR Commercial Private Limited holds 29% in NDTV. RRPR Commercial is owned by Vishwa Pradhan Commercial Private Limited, which is owned by Adani Group. So that way, this 29.09% has been transferred to 0.19% has been transferred to Adani Group. So for your simplicity, we will let us